welcome back to another vlog. You guys really enjoyed my last vlog and I love all the comments in the vlog. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to make the vlogs more consistent moving forward. I'll try to do them every week, so I'll just include bits and pieces from my daily activities and make it into one weekly vlog. Today's Tuesday and I'm about to leave the house. I'm going to fix my car. My car isn't bad, but I need to replace my brake pad because it's almost completely done. You guys, nobody really tells you the stress that comes with having a car. My number one advice would be just have a man around. I'm so sorry, I know feminists might be upset at the statement, but when it comes to Nigerian mechanics, they behave a lot better when they see a man, give you better prices when they see a man. So I never go to the mechanic alone, it just never happens. So today I'm not going to be going alone, but I'm about to go to the mechanics to get my car fixed, and then I'll try to do a bunch of other stuff. I have so much to do that it's ridiculous. I don't even want to start to say it because it's just too much, but I'm going to try to get as much stuff done today, and yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along with me. Okay, you guys, I haven't vlogged since the day that I fixed my car because something else ended up coming up, and yeah, it took the whole day. I think today's Thursday and I actually have errands to run with my dad. I need to use my sunscreen because I didn't use sunscreen before leaving the house. Oh god, I just hope I hope it doesn't look white. So I'm meeting up with my dad today. We have some errands to run. We have to shop for his place as well, so that's pretty much all I'm doing. My dad bought me this, you guys. It's called virus blocker. Apparently you're supposed to wear it around your neck like an ID card. And yesterday when I met him, he was asking why haven't I started wearing mine. So let me wear it before I meet him. So this is what it looks like, and you're just supposed to put the tag through the space here and then wear it around your neck. You guys, my hand is kind of ashy. Oh my god, I thought that sunscreen was going to help, but it didn't. I'll probably get lotion when I get to the store. I'm going to take you guys along as we go shopping, so that's what the vibe is today. Hey you guys, I'm so sorry this vlog has been all over the place. It was really not my intention. I've really been busy with my dad, that was number one. And then for the last 2-3 days I have been sick. I have been puking, I've had diarrhea, I've just had all these crazy symptoms. First I thought I had food poisoning, but yesterday I was just okay, this is going on for too long. So I went to the lab and got tested, and apparently I have malaria and typhoid. So I had to get medicine yesterday, and I already started it yesterday. So this morning I'm feeling a little better, so I decided to vlog for you guys. But yeah, you guys, that's really the update on what has been happening. But I've gotten some of my furniture. I have super story for you people, just hold on. And I got my new TV as well, yay. So let me just show you guys some of the stuff that I've been getting. I guess this is going to be some type of haul. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been getting and new developments around here. Okay, so I got my new TV. This was the one I decided on. I got a smart TV. Remember I was telling you guys I really wanted a smart TV, and I just put it up on my old console, and this is what it looks like. It's actually not bad. There's no light right now, so I can't turn it on for you guys to see or anything, but this is what that looks like. I'm going to take all of these down because this is no longer the plan for this spot at all. But yeah, that's what my new TV looks like. My new console actually came, but this is why I say the super story. Let me just show you what happened. Behold the new console that I ordered, you guys, or that I had done. Oh my god, can you guys just look at this? First of all, does this look white to you? Does the color look white? I feel like my camera is making it look better, but I'll insert a picture on the screen for you guys to see. What is this? Okay, you guys, so super story. I need to just you guys ignore my appearance. I'm a woman, I really cannot be bothered. So about my console, this is what happened. There's this home decor page that I follow on Instagram. The particular girl that I that the lady on the home decor page tagged for something. Anyways, that was how I found her page, right? I ended up going to her page. She lives in Abuja as well. I was going through her page and I really loved her apartment and everything, and I loved her TV console. Anyways, I messaged her like, oh hey girl, nice connecting with you via Instagram. I live in Abuja as well. I really love your place. I love your decor and whatnot, and I love your TV console. Can you please tell me where you bought it or who made it or whatnot? She responds and tells me, oh hey Lola, nice to meet you girl. And then she tells me, oh, her console was actually made by her carpenter, but she's actually about to venture into a business, and her console looked really good. And I know people who do that now. Like, that's a business. If somebody makes something really good for you and you feel like you can resell it to other people, you go ahead and you do it, you know. But I was like, okay, no problem, sure, because I don't mind paying somebody else. I don't want to go through the stress of going to find a carpenter that has sets. Do you understand? So she told me how much the console was going to cost. I made like the down payment or whatever. She told me that it would be ready in 10 business days or 10 working days or whatever. I'm going to give her all props. She was very, very understanding. She kept me like informed throughout the way. The legs I had initially picked, I wanted the legs to be 6 inches. But then when the console was ready, she told me, oh, I don't think those 6-inch legs will give you the look you wanted. So she sent me a picture. She was like, oh, they can make new legs for me. And I was like, oh, fine, thank you, please make the new legs. The first time she sent me the pictures, she put the handle of the console on top. What I wanted was the handle on the side, and then she told me, oh, because of handle availability in the market. And that didn't make sense to me, because the same handle that was on the top could have easily been put on the side. I just thought maybe her carpenter made a mistake because her own handle is on the top. Anyway, so she came to deliver the console to me yesterday. As they were pulling it out of her car, one of the legs was like shaky, couldn't even stay on the ground. And she was like, oh, yeah, that happened when something, she would send the carpenter guy to come and fix it. And still, I had been very understanding up until this point, you know. Alibert came to deliver my chairs. One of the legs was coming off. So if a big company like Alibert can have an issue like that, who is this girl that just started her business? Like, why should I give her issues, you know? And Alibert did send their carpenter the next day to come screw my chairs back in. I messaged her this morning like, hey girl, I'm really scared to put my TV on the console. What? And I was just taking a picture to send this thing to my friend, and legit, you guys, the leg just gave up, literally. And now I'm just seeing the bottom of the console. It looks messy as hell. Wood is not even the same and nothing. So I'm just really upset. I don't know. I just messaged her. She's even giving me props like, oh, I've been very understanding. Now she knows how to do quality control for her business and what. I'm happy I did this with you because you were so, but I'm so sorry, I'm nobody's lab rat. I showed her like, the console is broken now. What do I do? She was like, oh, she can ask him to make it again. And I just told her, nah, man, I don't want him to make it again because I can't trust his work anymore. And she was like, oh, do I want a refund? And I said, yes. So I'm currently waiting for my refund. I just really hope she sends it soon. I don't want to hear any more stories. Like, I'm honestly fed up. But anyways, you guys, that's the story, okay? I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been buying now. I just want to do a quick little haul. I'm super excited about this because I really want to get into like drinking tea and like beverages more. I absolutely love these teacups, and I've been seeing people use these type of like transparent teacups on the internet, and I've always loved them. It also comes with this like coaster that goes underneath. It came in a set of 2, so I have 2 cups and 2 coasters. The next few things I've been buying are mostly like skincare related, you guys, because I'm very, very upset at how my skin is beginning to look. The first skincare item I've gotten is this Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. Okay, yeah, this is what it looks like. I bought it for 10,000 naira. The actual thing is not inside here because I already started using it. The only thing that's inside here is the extra like sponge that it comes with. I actually really like this. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, but I won't give my verdict yet until I've used it for like maybe a month at least. But so far so good. It's actually good, and I feel like it's actually working. The next thing I got is this Good Molecules Niacinamide toner. This is what the bottle itself looks like. I love what this one looks like. Like, the bottle is so pretty. But this is a toner, and I just bought this. I've barely even used it. I got this for 10,800, I believe. I've also seen so many people rave about this. You guys, I really just hope that I did not go and impulse buy stuff because I saw people say stuff about it. I actually did my research as well, and I've seen just so many people who say that they're good, and the ingredients as well are very good, and I feel like it will do what it says it will do. I think this is a like Korean beauty item, and I've heard that Koreans make really great skincare. I'll update you guys if any of these things work in case you're looking for like new skincare or whatever. The last skincare item I got is this sunblock. My sunscreen has run out for a minute now, and I've been looking for like affordable sunscreen to buy. Sunscreen is so expensive here for some reason. I don't know why. I was looking for something really affordable that I can use on my face and on my body as well, and that comes in a big size. So I got this for maybe like 2,000 or so at Next. It's not bad so far, but I feel like I might still get a different sunscreen for my face, just because I'm a little iffy about it. I don't know, but I've been using it on my face and it's not bad, honestly. If it doesn't give me issues, I might just continue using it instead of going to buy another thing I've seen people talk about that will cost like 10,000 again. The last thing I want to show you guys is this candle. It's from Airwick. This is the first one I got, and it's almost done now, so I just bought this. I've been finding them at this store close to me, and they're really cheap. It's like 2,800, so I've been buying them, and they last, like, and the smell is really, really, really nice. Like, it smells really good. Candles are very expensive in Nigeria as well. I don't know, everything like scents is really expensive here. Like, if you want to get a good like diffuser or a good candle, you're going to spend quite some amount of money. I really like it, and I love that it comes with this cork lid. So yeah, the only other things I have here are like my medicine and stuff that I need to take right now, but I haven't eaten and I don't think I can cook, so I might probably just go out and go get something to eat so that I can take my medication, because it's probably almost like noon at this point and I still haven't taken my morning dose. I'm not doing well at all, but yeah. So yes guys, I'll see you guys as my day goes along. So I went to Mobby's to go get a salad. I really love their salads because it's very, very filling, and they give you like a huge ass bowl. One of my aunts, they put me on. You guys, I didn't do my edges. Like, I honestly cannot be bothered. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Ooh, you guys. What the salad looks like is so good. I'm really hungry and I have other places to go to. So I'm just going to sit in the car and try to eat a bit. I obviously can't finish everything right now, so I'll just eat a little bit and then finish the rest when I get home. And their sauce is usually very good as well. Do you guys think it's weird like eating in the car? Because I don't think so. Someone is just here looking at me like, what is this one doing? I just want to eat a bit, and then I'm probably going to try to get a new console, you guys, because that console thing is really irritating me. The girl sent me my refund, by the way, and the person who bought mine, I think they might come get it like today or tomorrow, and I don't want my TV to be on the floor because I'm not going to use that console, and I don't want her to fix it. I'm probably going to go to a store. One of my friends, I saw his console the day I went to his house and I really liked it, and he's told me where he bought it from, so I might just go there and see if they still have that one left and just buy, because yeah, I honestly can't deal anymore. Should have gotten water with this food, because this food is actually spicy. This is their spicy chicken salad. That's my favorite one from them. The chicken is very, very spicy. You see how red it is? It's very spicy, so it makes the salad even better. I'll probably just get something to drink when I'm done, but I don't want to talk with food in my mouth, so when I'm done eating, I'm going to leave here and go and try and get the console. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. I want to just take it like this. I don't want it installed now, so I want to get this one. That's the longer one, and this is the shorter one. I think this is okay. console is up. Just ignore the bottom. I need to clean, but like this is what it looks like. I still want to incorporate more brown into the living room, so I feel like this would be a perfect place to start. Actually doesn't look bad right now. I hate that I can see all of those things under, but I'll figure out a way to like make that work. But yeah, this is what the new console looks like, you guys. What do you think? Alright, you guys, so I'm back home now and I really need to rest because I'm getting really tired, but I love how the console looks. I just can't wait to get the wires and stuff under fixed. I'm just going to continue doing like a bunch of stuff. I need to go get spray paint soon because I want to spray paint my table as well. I want to get it all white. I'll just keep like doing everything in little bits until it looks the way I want it to. So yeah guys, I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm not doing any other thing and I just want to rest because I'm still kind of sick and I feel really nauseous right now. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please turn on your notifications, you guys, so that YouTube can notify you every time I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.